In this video, we are going to learn about traversal of binary tree. Binary tree means we know that a tree which is having maximum of 2 child is called binary tree. This is a binary tree because maximum 2 child are accepted. Okay, traversal means visiting these nodes of binary tree. Okay, so when we traverse a binary tree, if you wanted to find out a particular tree, you have to traverse this tree. If you wanted to print all the elements of the tree, then you have to traverse the tree. Okay, traversal means you cannot just randomly visit any elements. Okay, you are supposed to follow some order. Okay, randomly, if you wanted to print randomly, you cannot print 3 and then 5 and then 2 and then 1. Okay, there is some order that we have to follow. Okay, there are 3 different orders are there. Okay, first order is in order traversal. In order traversal, we visit the left subtree first and then root and then right subtree. Okay, before you print this root node, you should print the left node and then root node, and then you can go for right node. Okay, suppose if you have a binary tree like this. Okay, so you have a binary tree, okay, 2 nodes, you are having 2 nodes, B and C. Okay. We know that we always start from root node. Okay, immediately you cannot write. Okay, because this order says first you have to visit your left node, then root and then right. Okay, then you have to visit your left node. So B is the first node that you will be printing. Then you will go back to A and then you will print here. Okay, so before you print any node, that left subtree should be visited and should be printed. Okay, then you can go for C. Okay, C is a right node, right child. Okay. Before you write right child, so you should be should have visited this left node, then you can write the C and then the right node. Okay, so this is the in order traversal of this particular binary tree, right? So if the given binary tree is like that, how you can traverse? Okay, we always land in this particular node, root node. Then from that root node, you will go to this node. Okay, immediately you cannot write root node because it says you have to visit the left node before you print the root node. Okay, it is having left node, so you are going to its left node. Okay, so immediately after reaching here, you cannot print it because 2 is a left node for 1, but it is a root node for the remaining nodes 4 and 5. So we cannot write it. Okay, recursively you have to search whether it is having left node left. Okay, so you are landing in this particular node. Okay, so immediately you cannot print it, so you have to see whether it is having any other left node. Okay, if it does not have any left node, then you can write this node, right? 4 is the first node that we are visiting. Okay, again you will go back to this 2. Okay, so before you write this node, if you wanted to print this node, okay, you should check whether the left node of this particular node is visited, completely visited. Yes, when you reach this node again, we have visited the complete left node. Now you can write this 2 because 2 is a root node. Okay, then you will go to 5. Okay, if you wanted to print this 5, then what is the rule says? You have to visit the entire left subtree. Okay, you will check whether it is having left subtree. Okay, no left subtree is left. Now you can write. Okay, then right subtree. You don't have any right subtree for this node. Okay, no left node, no right node. Okay, then you will go to this node 2. Okay. Already for this node, for this 2 node, I have visited left and then right. For 4 also, I will consider I have visited left and then right, since I don't have any node left. Okay, so but I will consider I have visited the left node and then the right node. Okay, and then I can write it. Okay, just see, 2 is a root node and 4 is a left node and 5 is a right node. Okay, again I'll go back to my root node. Okay, so now I can write this 1 because this is a root node for this subtree and I have completely visited its left node. Okay, I can write only the root node when I have finished, okay, completely printed all my left node. Now I can write this 1. Okay, then I'll go to this particular node. Okay, so this is a node. Okay, before I print this node, I should check whether it is having a left node. It does not have any left node, then I can write this root node because it does not have any left subtree. Okay, then I'll go and search the right subtree. It does not have it. Then again I'll go back to this root. So this one is the in-order traversal of the given binary tree. Okay, next we will move on, okay, to the next type, pre-order. In pre-order, what is given? Root comes first and then left and then right. This one is a very easy one. First you have to write root, okay, and then that root's left tree and then that root's right tree. Okay, so always we will land in this root. Okay, so immediately you can write the root because according to this condition immediately you can write this root node, and then you should go for the left node. Okay, 2 can I write? Yes, this is also a root node. I can write it. Okay, after writing I have to go to the left node because root after that left, right? So for that I am going to the left node now. Okay, again this node is a root node, right? So I am writing this root node. It does not have any left and then right, so again I am going back to this root node. Okay, so after going back this root node, now I have to visit the right node because 2 is a root node. If 2 is a root node, this is its left subtree, then I have to visit the right subtree. Okay, so I'll go and visit this 5. Okay, so before that, so immediately I will write 5 because 5 is a root node for some other subtree. Okay, in this case no subtree is existing. Okay, so we'll try to visit left subtree and then right, and I will come again to this root. Okay, so I have finished with, okay, 5 is root means I have visited left and then right and I came back to this 5. Okay, so again I'll go to this 2. Okay, when I came back to this 2, I can simply check, okay, I have visited all the left subtree and then the right subtree. Okay, root comes first, then left and then the right. Okay, now I'll go to this root node. Okay, so root node I have already mentioned, and I have visited the entire left subtree. Okay, now it is turn for the right subtree. I'll go and visit the right side of this node. 3 I have got. Okay, it does not have any left and right. Okay, root means immediately you will be writing this 3, and it does not have any left and then right subtree. Okay, so I leave it and then I will go back to this root node. Okay, we can see after visiting 1, I have visited all the left node and then the right node. If you can take any node. If you take 2, here is 2. Okay, the left node is 4 and then the right node. Okay, root comes first and then left and then right. So this is pre-order traversal for this binary tree. Okay, next we will move on to the next type, post-order traversal. In post-order traversal, first you will write the left node, right node and then the root node. Root comes at the third place. First you have to visit left subtree and then right subtree and then root. Okay, as usual we will land in this root node only. Okay, then you have to go for the left subtree. Okay, you will go here. Still it is having left tree. Okay, 1 is not a left tree, so I am going to the left subtree of this one. Okay, and I am visiting this particular node. Okay, and 2 is a left subtree for left child for this root node, but 2 is a root node for some other subtree. So recursively you have to go and search whether 2 is having any left subtree. Okay, yes, it is having, so we are landing in this particular node. Okay, after landing this node we have to find out whether it is having any other left node is left. Okay, so no left node is left. Okay, then what you have to see, you have to find out the right node. Okay, for this node I have to find out whether I am having a right node. It does not have. Okay, so we'll consider we have visited the left subtree and then right subtree. Now I can write this root. Okay, since this 4 node does not have any left and right node, I am directly writing the root node. Okay, first left node, right and then root. Okay, now I am going to visit this node 2 again. Okay, I can see I have visited the entire left subtree but now I have to visit the right subtree. Okay, that is what the rule says, left, right and root. Okay, so I have to visit the right subtree of this particular node. Okay, I have visited this node now. Immediately I cannot write because I must check whether I have visited its left subtree. It does not have any left subtree, does not have any right subtree. Okay, left, right I am considering I have visited, then later on I can write this 5. Right, again I am going to this particular node. So now when I reach this particular node, I can see I have visited the entire left subtree and then right subtree. Now I can write this node. Okay, see, left, right and then root. Okay, so if I again go back to this root node, I have visited my left subtree. Now I have to visit my right subtree. So I am going to this right side. Okay, 3 is there. Okay, so I have to visit my left and then right. I will come back to this 3. Now I can write. I will consider I have visited the left and then right subtree of this node 3. Okay, then when I go back to this particular node again, I can see for this root node I have visited all the left node and then the right node. Okay, now I can write my root node here. Okay, so this is the post order traversal of the given binary tree. Okay, so these are the results. Here you can see these are the same results. Okay. Here we can see in-order traversal means the root comes in between, which it divides your tree into 2 parts, left subtree and then right subtree. See, you can see 2, 4, 5 which is present on the left hand side of this root, and 3 is present on the right hand side of this root node. Okay, so you can divide your tree into 2 parts, left subtree and right subtree. Okay, always it comes in the middle. Okay, in pre-order you can see first root comes. Okay, because you have to read this root node first, then only left and right. So you can find this root node is placed on the first position of this order. Okay, and then post order the root comes at last. Okay, so easily you can identify. See, root node of in order traversal. Okay, it divides the subtree into 2 parts, left subtree and right subtree. But in pre-order the root comes in the first place, and in post order root comes at the last. Okay, this is one of the important property of tree traversal. Okay, sometimes if your tree is a little bit complicated, this tree is very easy. If suppose sometimes a tree may be a little bit complicated, okay, at that time you may find it very difficult to find the in-order and pre-order traversal. So I am going to teach you a very easy method. By using that method, within a minute you can find out in-order, pre-order and post-order traversal. First of all, just consider, if you wanted to traverse a tree, you should use this particular method. Okay, like this. You will again go back to this root node. Okay, this is a path. You have set a path, right? Like this. Okay, and then last you have to reach this root node. Okay. In order, if you are using an in order, means root comes at the second place. Okay, that means whenever you are visiting your any node, before you print that node, you have to check whether you are visiting that node for the second time. Okay, because root comes at the second place. Okay, so how we are going to do? If you are visiting the node for the second time, then only you are going to print. Okay, as usual we are going to land in this place only. First time you have visited this root node. Okay, then you will visit this node 2. First time you are visiting. Okay, you will not write. Okay, then again you are visiting this node. For the first time you are visiting this 4. Okay, then what I said, you have to imagine that we are having some subtree over here. Okay, you have visited that subtree and then you are coming back to this particular node. Then second time you are visiting that place. Okay, so immediately you can write this 4, right? Okay, again consider we are having right subtree also, so third time you are visiting. Okay, and now you are going to this particular node. Okay, so second time you are visiting this node, so immediately you write it. Okay, and then again you are going to this particular node for first time only. First time you are visiting this, you will not write. Okay, after visiting the left subtree, second time when you visit, then you will write this 5. Okay, whether it is having a subtree or not, you just consider it is having subtree. Okay, after that you will visit the right subtree. Okay, and then you will go to this root node. Now this is the second time you are visiting this root node, then you can write this node. Okay, then you are visiting 3, first time you are visiting, you will not write it, you will imagine you are having a left subtree. So second time when you visit this particular node, then you will write, then you go back to this root node. Okay, so this is a inordal traversal. Within a minute you can find out this order. Okay, the second method is, it says root node comes first. That means whenever you visit this particular node for the first time, okay, immediately you will write. Okay, you will land in this particular node, first time you are visiting, immediately write. Okay, from here you will move to this node and immediately you will write. Okay, when you move on to this node, immediately you will write. Okay, you will visit the left and then right subtree, again you go back to this 2, and then when you visit this particular node, again you will write this. Okay, then you will move on to this 2 and then 1 and then 3. Okay, first time you are visiting 3, right, and again you will go back to this 1. Okay, this one is a very easy one. As soon as you are visiting that new node, you have to print the value. Okay, in post order traversal, how you are going to do? Post order traversal, what it says, root comes at the third place. Okay, root comes at the third place. Okay, so when you visit a particular node for the third time, then only you are going to print that node. Okay, so you will be landing on this root node. First time you will not write. Okay, here first time you will not write. Okay, then you will move on to this 4, first time you will not write. Okay, then what happens? You will consider you are having a left subtree. After visiting second time you are visiting this node. Okay, you will imagine you are having a right subtree. Okay, then again when you come back, third time you are visiting, so immediately write that value, node. Okay, then you go back to this second node. Okay, so second time you are visiting this particular node, you will not write. Okay, so you will visit that right subtree. First time you will not write. After visiting the left subtree, second time you are visiting. After visiting the third subtree, third time you are visiting. So now you can write this particular node. Okay, after that you are going back to this second node. So this is the third time you are visiting. After visiting left subtree, right subtree, third time you are reaching this node, so you can write it. Okay, after that you are going to this root node. This is the second time, because only you have visited the left subtree. After visiting the entire left subtree, you are going back to this root node, you will not write. Okay, you have to go to this right subtree. Okay, 3 means it's left subtree you have to visit. First time you are visiting. After visiting the left subtree, second time. After visiting the right subtree, third time you are visiting. Now you can write the value, node 3. Okay, and then last you are going back to 1. So you can see you have visited all the left subtree, right subtree. This is the third time you are visiting that root node. Now I can write my root node. Okay, if you follow this method, any complicated tree is given, you can easily solve all the 3 traversal within a minute. Hope you are able to follow this method.